Another way to express your selfless acts of kindness, as simply as it is, just come to our 3 families, okay? We all know we don't need all this around our body, and slowly but surely this will come to strangulate us. So how about you just ease our sister from her burdens? Do it naturally. Live your life with a purpose. Okay? Speak life in motion. Whatever things have been bound in you, my sister, I clear you. Me, I'm a man of the land. I know no witchcraft. I know no miracles. But my parents told me, if your heart is clean, the enemy from the outside has got no strength. And the purity of my heart is such. Everything deserves its own perfection, as they design it to be. I love perfection too, in my own design. And that is my main focus in this life. Focusing on my own design of perfection. I totally agree, everyone has theirs. I'm sorry to remind you, mine came first. And as such, everything will return to the original design. The original design of my creation. My thoughts, my perceptions, my conceptions, and their realization. I stand responsible for the creation of all of you. And everything that is mine returns to me. As it is, so shall it stay and accomplish itself. And any longer you are free from anything, any bounds, any thoughts, any conceptions, and any realities. That is how we clear our space. Little sister, we are born free. And it is our own selfless acts of kindness that have brought us to these horizons. And from here we shall depart as safely as we came, because nothing can bind our spirit, as we are born free from the free Father that we have. Don't worry, little sis. The rest is just storytelling. Okay? We cut them from the root. They will think next time before they come and check what is happening around. Okay? These little weeds that we put just to look beautiful around us, that thing, they can come and take over us. Okay? Just give them that space required so that they know it takes a long time for a mere Caribbean plant to actually become. Good morning. Okay. And such is life, simply and purely expressed. Trust me, you don't need anyone to be happy. You don't. Find happiness everywhere. Do nothing and you'll still be happy. You know. Because nothing to you is practically everything to most. And this little bit of fresh air that will be generating from this tree from this Carpa Vuccia, the magical tree. Thank you, Mama. Eleni Lunga, you are here. I found you. Okay, not too much stuff, but it's okay. Not much to clear. Daddy loves you. Yeah. Let's bring the shine out. Okay. I'll instruct the council to do some arrangements here. Yeah. Just like you, it's a shady. You have to bring your full light for everyone to admire. Okay. It is you, it is your personality, it is your style. No one can take that away from you, and only you can express it as best as required. Thank you, Mommy.